I found a cat for me. Kitty, just come right here and snuggle me, please.
Well, I found a mom, so beautiful and sweet. Oh, I never knew you were the someone waiting for me.
'Cause I was just a kid when I fell for cats, not knowing how it was. I did not give up my dream, no time. Kitty, just lick me slow. You cat is in our home, and in my arms I'm holding a feline. Kitty, I'm sitting on the couch with you between my legs, my feet on the couch, listening to my favorite meow. With you I said I feel so blessed. That was straight under my breath, and you heard